In this final publisher task, we're going to create a chapter that's all about natural defences. What I need to do is open up your food brochure from last time. We're going to go to Insert, we're going to click Page, and we're going to insert a blank page this time. This page needs the title Natural Defences. So again, insert word art. That's going to go just there. Under this title, using online pictures, you're going to find a picture of either a man or woman in full, which fills the majority of this page. Click Insert, Online Pictures. And a picture of a man. There we go. It has to be a picture that one will do. Okay. What we're now going to do is we are going to point to where this man's natural defences are. So we're going to make it grow so it fills up the majority of the page, and we're going to click on the Insert button, we're going to click on the Shapes button, and we're going to use the arrows. And the first arrow we're going to point at are his eyes, and then we're going to do it again and point at his ears, mouth. Now if the arrow is a bit dark, we can change the colour of that arrow, so let's change it to a white arrow to go across his body. Now his nose, and then some skin, and finally his genitals. Change the colour again. There you go. Right. Now using either word art or text boxes or the page parts, we're going to label these. So I'll just use page parts once. Use that one. And I'm going to label this one as eyes. There we go. And I'm going to drag that so it's at the other end of that arrow. Done. Do that for all the different parts that you've pointed at. On page 7, you're going to create a 6-box storyboard to further explain how the body defends itself. So again, click on the Insert ribbon, click on Page Parts, and scroll down to Stories this time. There we go. What I'd like you to do is click on this one here or this one here. I'm going to choose that one. And this gives you a picture frame with some associated text. Okay. And we're going to repeat this 6 times. So I'm going to make that text a little bit shorter so it doesn't take up all the space. That should be about right. And then I'm going to go home, copy, and paste. Put that next to it. You can then copy both of those at the same time and paste it just below. There we go. And then once more, and make it again. There we are. Now, obviously you've got to make it so that you can read the text on all of them. So if that means that you have to make them all a bit shorter, then that's what you'll have to do. Unfortunately, that's what I'm going to have to do now. But try and keep them all roughly the same sort of size. So if you're making some of them smaller, make all of them smaller. It will just make it look better overall. There we go. Right, under each picture, write a short explanation as to how this body part fights against infection. So for example, it says title, we're going to write eyes, and then how does the eyes fight against infection? Well, we have tears are acidic to germs. That's all we need to write there. Use Google to find really short, snappy answers for all of them. And then we're going to change this picture here by clicking the picture, pressing the little icon that will appear. If the icon doesn't appear, we can right click and go change picture. And we're going to change the picture to a picture of some eyes. I'm going to search for them. Once you've done that for all 6 pictures, your brochure is completed and you can print your brochure. Perfect.